Hey, we're at Hocking Hills State Park in Ohio, and we're going to be seeing a bunch of things. We're going to be seeing waterfalls, caves, and cliffs. It's going to be really cool. Like I said, we're going to be seeing a bunch of things. We don't know exactly what we're seeing, so we're kind of be going with the flow. So let's get started, and we're going to go to the visitor center first.
That's the point.
Yeah? This is pretty cool. Ooh, frozen waterfalls? That would be cool. That's what we're gonna see. See that top corner picture? That's Rock House. We're gonna try to do that one. Yeah.
So we're at our first waterfall, Cedar Falls. It's about a 1 mile hike. It's supposed to be really pretty, so let's go check it out.
It's like direct. Oh, we could go up there.
Yeah.
Hey, which way's the path?
No.
Where's the path?
We need to stay on the trail. Wow, that's pretty.
Oh, there.
That's humongous.
Oh, there's so many. Man,
There's
fishing
a bunch
there
of
would be
fish down
good.
there, yeah?
Yeah, well, those fish nibble. Oh, look through there. And that little cave.
In there? Little cave.
Oh, that swimming pool.
So pretty. Like little caves, go up in there.
Look at that, like the ground just like cuts off and it just falls.
Mom, one more grandma in there?
Straight up.
Don't put your foot in the wrong place.
Yeah, don't step in the hole. These are cool.
Little area right there.
Yes.
And see through like the boulders and stuff.
Nope, we're going under.
I'm under the cave.
Wow. This is,
I actually fit under here. And then they got, oh, that's a spider web.
look at this.
That's a spider web that's invisible.
Spider web on you?
Yeah, there's a spider web right there. What? How?
Yeah, sure was.
Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah. So, then someone wrote chalk on it. Okay. Oh, yeah, you just go through this.
Sorry, I'm having to pose for pictures here.
They need to make these steps better.
This is so cool.
Whoa.
Yeah, look up here too.
Oh,
The
you
whole
go
trail,
back.
like every single turn, there's something to see.
Whoa.
I would highly recommend this.
You highly recommend this?
I like it. Give a rope shot.
Supposedly the Cantwell Hills is this type through the cliffs and everything. That's why I want to do that one.
I'm gonna go back down to that.
Yeah, a bunch of boards here. Look at that. Look at that. That's good.
Woohoo!
So cool.
How the river kind of like turns.
Whoa.
Not really, but, and then they have the cliffs and stuff. That's a pretty
What's that
section
here?
right there too.
They have a trail.
It's all trail. Definitely did not feel like a mile. I don't know. There's like so much to look at and stuff. Felt a lot shorter. Whew, it was really pretty and nice. Hey, now we're at Ash Caves. It's about half a mile or 0.6 miles, and we should be able to see a waterfall in it. So not too long, but we hope it's really cool. So let's get started. Good news. You get to go right behind the waterfall, kind of. But it's like 10 drops coming down, but hey, it's pretty.
Hey, it looks like a tire track.
Oh, what?
These tires?
Oh, they probably are. Yeah, they're stored.
The water started up here, and then slowly over time, it ate the rock away, and just is slowly going down.
You think it's gonna keep?
Good, probably. Over years.
So now we're at Conco's Hollow. It's about 1 mile, and we're supposed to see a waterfall at the end. Probably has a cool cave system, right?
Maybe.
We'll see.
That's cool.
That's where Bigfoot would definitely live.
Like I think I can see the back of it, but it's, you know, it goes about 10 feet in there.
Yeah.
It's cool. It's like 15 degrees cooler.
Right. Look at the elevation, right? So it starts up going up, and then it just kind of like goes up straight.
Yeah, that's the rock face.
Yeah, that's
Kind of cool.
kind of like we're in a big canyon almost.
Well, we are kind of in a canyon.
Yeah,
Look,
'cause look, more
rock
rocks.
goes up there.
So just not as great. It's
You
a
can
great,
see the rock
but still.
face through the trees.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Yeah, that's why it's like 15 degrees cooler in here.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, maybe this is it actually.
Oh yeah, here's the little,
Wow.
maybe.
Can I go inside it? That's good.
Sure.
The grotto.
Oh, they got a path right there.
Yeah, we're not going up there though.
Oh. It literally says do that.
No, I said they had.
How deep does that go?
Not that deep.
Right there.
Yeah.
But I mean, an animal can fit through there, and it
Yeah.
probably goes deeper, but I can't.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. Absolutely humongous. Jeez. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. That's huge.
There's a tree going inside the crack.
Looks like there, in the rainy season, there's probably a waterfall here.
Yeah, there's a waterfall. Cause you can see the water
Mm-hmm.
right there.
Oh, where the water was. That would be pretty.
Oh, I thought that log was like frozen water.
Yeah,
I'm
that
like,
lava there.
Yeah, definitely a waterfall there. Anybody else feel like they're in Jurassic Park?
I've only watched the new movie, so
I don't have any.
and the new movie's kind of in like a not so forest area, but kind of. Like
It's like feels like prehistoric and stuff.
Oh, you almost fit there.
Now we're at Rock House. It's a 1 mile long hike, and it's the only trail that has an actual cave in it.
Well, it technically is.
Oh my gosh. That, yep. You would die. Yeah, that's supposed to be the waterfall, the trail. That's the trail down there that we end up at.
Yeah.
But it's there's no water.
Oh, goodness. Well, I mean, there's still the cave.
Yep.
Oh, that's cool. Well, it actually is a little bit.
Not for tall people. Oh, cool. I'll fail. Oh, sweet. Cool. It's a window.
This is not a trail that way.
Not a trail. You're in a cave. You're not going to have cell phone service. You're fine.
Yeah, saying don't go that way because it's a long way to the ground. They don't want people to fall off.
That's why they made that wall.
That's why they made this wall.
Huh.
Yep, because you can't go that way or it'll. Yahoo! Oh, look at the vines hanging down. Think we could climb up them?
Like glowberries or something.
Alright, look at it this way.
No, guys. Look at this perfect place.
Hey guys. And this is what we were supposed to see when we looked over the edge from way up there. Can you feel the waterfall?
Yeah.
The drops.
I need to get back here to look at it.
I can see. You can see little water drops falling through the sky.
That one's
Mist.
like permanent.
It's like
Waterfall.
misting.
It's like never ending. Yeah.
There's Rock House. Yeah.
See that never ending rip of water?
Mm-hmm. The bridge is in disrepair apparently.
Hey, now we're at Cantwell Cliffs. We're gonna be hiking a bit up here, and then looks like we have Fat Woman Squeeze right here, which is we're kind of walking through like a tight cavern, right?
Yeah, like a little canyon with cliffs on each side.
Yeah, and then
No passage.
we're actually we're gonna go this way.
Take the rim trail.
And then cut back, and we're not gonna do all this because it's called the gorge. It's supposed to be pretty steep. We once we get here, we may see if it's cool. We might go down a bit, but for now we're sticking with the short way, just because last hike of the day. Yeah.
Well, we going down here,
That's where we came from. All right, we made it to D. The boys said that they want to keep going, so we're gonna go the gorge trail and then loop around all the way back to the parking lot.
Oh look, there's a little bridge on top.
Wait, where does that go?
That's where the rim trail comes in, and it meets right here. Finally made it to the top of the rim trail. And there's down there the gorge we came from. Yep. And then over the edge. And that's where we came from. And there'd be another waterfall.
So we just got finished doing everything. We hiked around 5.5 miles, and we saw some really amazing things. We saw a bunch of waterfalls, and if it would have rained more, we would have seen even more waterfalls in the canyon, gorge, through those caves. It's all amazing. It was really beautiful. But until next time,
Get out in nature and find something exciting.